Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. These cards are for your relationship, and these cards are for your career situation, guys. Leos, I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck, guys. So that will be your general guidance. This is the card. I will leave it here. So we will see what it is after we finish the reading with these cards here. So let's start with these cards, Leos, for your general energy. We have 8 of Pentacles in reverse, 5 of Cups, and Queen of Swords. So in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your career situation or it may be in this relationship. Leos, maybe you trusted someone in your work. You believe that they will do certain things for you. But what you are getting is something unexpected. They never did that, or they are not making the efforts for you. They are not helping you in any way. So your trust or faith has been broken and you feel stressed because of that, because you trusted a wrong person and things are not going in a very positive way. So it may be in your career situation or in your personal life situation, guys. And I also see that you are having a lot of frustrations today, guys. You are simply frustrated by the way things are going in your work or in your relationship. So you are brooding over what has been lost, maybe the past. Maybe this person has left you. This person you trusted, they have proved that they are not to be trusted. So some kind of trouble. So it may be a situation in your career or it may be a circumstance in your personal life in this relationship. So you feel lost and sad because things are not going as you expected and you are crying for all that you have lost today, guys. Brooding over the past. Maybe this person has left you, or maybe your past person, maybe you had high hopes for that relationship, but that person has left you and it is causing a lot of pain in you, guys, thinking about your situation. But Leos, you need to understand that there are new offers or opportunities in your life today, but you are not aware of that situation, guys. So you are simply living in the past, brooding over the past. That is not going to take you anywhere, guys, Leos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. We have 5 of Swords in reverse, Judgment, and 6 of Wands in reverse. So Leos, in your relationship, you are worried about certain things, guys. Maybe you just fear that things may not happen as you had expected. So some kind of worries because of that. And also in your relationship, guys, things are changing. Maybe you are simply worried, you have some stress. Maybe the past is still in your mind, you are still hurt, the past hurt is still fresh, and you are just fearing what things may happen even in this present relationship. But Leos, you need not fear, guys, because there are great changes happening in this love today. But these are positive changes, guys, in your relationship. So whatever changes are happening in your relationship today, it is worrying you because you are expecting some kind of a sad outcome. But in reality, what is happening today is something that is going to take you towards something positive, guys. Maybe engagement or marriage, you may get that understanding with this person. So some positive changes are happening for you in your relationship, guys, Leos. So let's see what are the cards for your career. We have 9 of swords, 3 of swords, and the star in reverse. So again, in your career situation, there are people working against you, competing with you, and you are simply worried and stressed where things will go. So you are worried about your future for this, for your career, guys. Maybe for some of you, you have lost your job or your projects, or in your work you may be seeing some delays. That may be the reason for your worries today, guys, Leos. And I also see that maybe the people you work with, they are quite careless. They do not have they are not so determined like you, guys. That again may be the reason for troubles in your career situation, guys, Leos. So let's see what is your oracle guidance, Leos. We have soulmates. Such an apt card for y'all, guys. So soulmates are someone who are there with us, with whom we feel so emotional. We have such a deep connection. So some soulmates, they may overwhelm us with happiness and love, and that relationship will change us forever. But some soulmates, even at the first meeting, we just fight, argue, and they influence us in the negative way, break us down, and make us feel sad, stressed, and too emotional. So even that relationship is going to change us, guys. Change us in unbelievable ways. So they are also the soulmates in our life. So this person you love is your soulmate, guys, and they are here simply to influence certain changes in you. So that is the reason they are here in your life with you, guys, right now, Leos. And that is the energy, guys. So you need to understand the presence of this person. So you are going to change. There is a great transformation or evolution happening in you emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Leos, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.